Okay, students, so let us look at this question. In an election, there were four candidates. 80% of the registered voters casted their votes. One of the candidates received 30% of the casted votes, while the other three candidates received the remaining casted votes in the ratio of 1:2:3. Winner of the election received 2512 votes more than the candidate with the second highest votes. The number of registered voters was. Let's assume registered voters to be 100x. अब इसका यार 80% casted their votes. So 80% of 100x will be 80x. Now one of the candidates received 30% of 80x. So that would be 24x. Further, students, it is given that other three candidates received the remaining casted votes in the ratio 1:2:3. So remaining casted votes will be 56x. Now I have to divide 56x in the ratio of 1:2:3. Now students, you can see ratio का total यहाँ 6 है ना, ratio का total 6 है, but 56 is not a multiple of 6. तो अब मैं अगर 56 को 1, 2 और 3 के रेशियो में डिवाइड करूंगा तो मेरी वैल्यूज जो है वो इंटीजर में नहीं आएंगी, है ना, फ्रैक्शंस में आएंगी. तो यार अगर आप थोड़ा कैलकुलेशन को आसान बनाना चाहते हैं तो बेटर क्या रहेगा कि कोशिश करें कि इसको 6 का मल्टीपल बनाएं. अब इसको 6 का मल्टीपल कैसे बना सकते हैं? देखिए ऑलरेडी 2 का मल्टीपल है, इट इज ऑलरेडी इवन. सो ऑल आई नीड टू डू इज आई वांट टू मेक इट अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 3. अब अगर इसको 3 का मल्टीपल बनाना है तो बेटर क्या रहेगा, जो रजिस्टर्ड वोटर्स हमने लिए थे अब उसको 3 का मल्टीपल ले लें. So what I'll do is I'll assume registered voters to be 300x, right? उससे क्या होगा, मेरी कैलकुलेशन काफी आसान हो जाएगी. So let's solve it by taking 300x. So 80% casted their votes. So 80% of 300x students will be 240x. Now one of the candidates received 30% of 240x. 30% of 240x will be 72x. Other three candidates received the remaining casted votes. So remaining casted vote students will be now 168x. And now this 168x is further divided in the ratio 1:2:3. Now you can see students, this is a multiple of 6. Calculation becomes very easy. So 6 parts is equal to 168x. So one part will be students 28x. So this will be 28x. This will be double of 28x, that means 56x, and this will be 3 times of 28x, which will be 84x. Now it is given to us winner of the election. Obviously winner would be the person receiving the highest number of votes, that is 84x, and the candidate with the second highest votes will be 72x. अब इनका difference हमें यार given है, which is 2512. So let's solve it. We'll get 12x is equal to 2512. And from here, students, if we calculate 300x, so that will be 300 into 2512 divided by 12. And 12 into 25 is 300. Okay, students. And now if you solve it, this comes 25 into 2512. See, 25 into 2500 is 62500. Okay, 62500. And 25 into 12 is 300. So we'll get 62800. Option D is the correct answer.